Hello, Sushi Twins, Sushi Twins. This is our WWE. You want sushi? Have a race up another wall. You can acknowledge me. I say, hey, I'm the sushi puppy. Okay, so we got fajitas. Fajitas, 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 fajitas. Dude, fajitas is, for me, is a really good Mexican, Mexican, um, food, and it's amazing food. So have it for hands. I got avocado, sour cream, cheese, chicken peppers, salsa, and sour cream. My dad made this dinner. Thank you for him. Is I will widow. I will put this here. Go this, goes on top, and so you see everything this. Oh.
It's just this constant viper movement of a snake
Wow.
in the grass. And when you see his eyes lock on you, you feel like you've already been caught or you've already been bitten.
Wow. That is a really good fajita. This all mixed together is really good fajita. Dude, so good. So that's because here I love fajitas. And I love it so much. So that's because I wasn't evil. I'm not going vlogs. I will edit. I will upload. And next thing is over. I wasn't evil on Big Hop for WWE. Dude, this is cool because. But it's really cool to see that. So, dude, I love it. So, that's it, guys here. And I tell you guys when my my going frog is up. So that's right. So thank you for watching our videos, guys, and please do not as well. You can stop a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Never miss an upload. And please we're second and boss sponsoring me on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel and edit this video just do please. And be sure to family and friends. I was really good with me. I was following me at Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you're done with that, I have tools for you. Sushi, yeah.